Right, the next thing we need to do is to specify which page is going to act as the home page, the one that is displayed by default on your website. So if we bring up the back end here, you'll notice that we've got various things here, but if we go to Settings, Reading, where it says your home page displays, at the moment the WordPress installation is acting like a blog, so it's going to display posts. And that's why we had that error message we saw earlier on, because we don't have any posts. We did have a sample one, we deleted that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to specify a home page. So I click here, and where it says home page, I click on the down arrow, and basically I select one of these that I want to act as the home page, and in this case we'll actually use the page called home page. So by doing this, and then clicking on Save Changes, I've fixed that problem we saw earlier, because if I now go to view the blog, what gets displayed is the home page, the page called home page. We still haven't got any menus or anything, so we'll sort that out in a minute, but at least now if we go to the back end and then go to the front end, it is at least displaying the home page, which is what we want. So that's how you specify the home page for your website.